Good morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. I am Sashika studying in 4B. The topic given for me is Vision of Sustainability. India is a land of picturesque beauty. The flora and fauna is also something to be proud of India, and it is famous for its beautiful temples, sculptures, statues and drawings. But we face many problems like degrading air quality index, loss of biodiversity, urbanization in the Himalayas, lack of waste management, and growing water scarcity. There are many more such issues that need to be addressed to maintain a sustainable environment. We see the proactiveness of the Swachh Bharat mission, which is directly linked to a sustainable future. India is moving at a quick pace in cleaning its river. The Ganga, which is India's lifeline, had become polluted in several parts. The Namami Gange mission is changing the historical wrong. India has launched the schemes including the Green Skill Development Program for skilling about 7 million youths in environment, forestry, wildlife and climate change sector by 2021. Our country is devoting unparalleled attention to new and renewable sources of energy. India has pledged to ban all single-use plastic by 2022. The government has announced a number of steps to phase out single-use plastic with the eventual goals of stopping all usage to reduce the country's plastic footprints. The Government of India has undertaken many measures for the conservation of the resources. Pollution has become a severe problem along India's coastline. The divers dive every day and bring out plastic from the ocean to help marine life survive. Some of the debris have been actually found in the Mariana Trench, the deepest point of the ocean. The second most polluted ocean is the Indian, with 1.3 trillion plastic pieces mostly found in the Indian Ocean. The Government of India has undertaken many measures for the conservation of the resources. Mass media educates the people on the importance of conservation, various projects and schemes that promotes conservation of resources. On April 6, 2015, India has launched its first ever National Air Quality Index and acknowledged the problem of rising air pollution. It will have an impact on human civilization. Much beyond our time together, we will create a clean environment that will be the cornerstone of human empowerment. Thank you.